dambe aqalgayga intuu iga xaalantanayo ugu dambeynayso magac xun ee ugu dhacsantahay waxay leeyihiin meeshan mutayka waa laakiin aniga gabar Soomaaliyeed waa soo galaya meesha cuntada seexanayso aan deganahay سو وحرق لي حبضن وبقرش قري قرش لعق وسسبيل نكاح مركو اسمه إلى جوجي سدح بلود عمل وبحر
Hello children officer, how are you? Morning. I have a case. He promised her heaven, whereby he will not do anything for her. When he gets her, the few months that he's been given visa to stay in the country, he will stay with her and get the marriage. You know, he will take her to a sheikh, they will engage each other, she can get pregnant, and this man, when he goes back, he leaves her in a pathetic way. This lady, she doesn't know the way forward. She is there to suffer alone.